I just wanted to add that Professor VDS's presentation was a joint presentation, and that was SOAS London University and MIT USA. So Dr. Roymar was there included in the presentation, but presentation actually, the research was done by both of them, but the presentation was done by Professor VDS. Now I would request Professor Pankaj Malla Sharma from Punjab University to come here and express her reactions, overview on the conference.
Respected Dean of the Faculty of Fine Arts, Professor Mahua Mukherjee, Professor Sanjay Bandyopadhyay, Head Department of Instrumental Music, Rabindra Bharati University, Kolkata, Professor Gautam Nag, Faculty, Musicology, Rabindra Bharati University, Kolkata, and the scholars from India and abroad. And this is the opportunity given to me to express my idea about the seminar and the explorations made over here. First of all, I remember the Yagyavalkya for beautiful verse. He says, Veena vadan tattvagya shruti jati visharadaha talagya cha aprayasen moksha margam sagacchati. Who? He knows Veena. Without any effort, knowing jatis, shrutis, and the ragas, and of course the tempos, without any effort, he can have the bliss, he can go to the ultimate. So this I could feel over here with the 3 days presentations, interactions, and the togetherness over here. So this is the occasion celebrating century of Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore receiving the Nobel Prize for Literature, and then of course the international seminar on the topic of the interest of everybody, India and abroad. So the scholars from India, all over the India, and from Berlin, Germany, Canada, and of course US, Africa, South Africa, I can hear, I can interact with the people. Like the topic is of interest. That is creating and teaching of music patterns. So music is a universal phenomena. Music is a universal thing. And the patterns, you have to have a style for the expression. So some of the patterns, they can be same. Some of the patterns, they have the variations. So we could realize over here, so how similar we are, though we are residing here and there. Vedic Rishi says like that, the Nana Bhasha Vivachasam Yatra Vishwa Bhavati Ek Niram. May we speak many language, may we speak, live in so many styles, but we are like one nest, living in one nest as one family. So I could feel over here, right from the topic exploration, and till the implementation. So I was fascinated with the topic, but because of my own university and my own circumstances, I was always hesitant whenever like Sanjay ji phoned me or messaged me for this seminar. So finally I am here. It is all effort. It's a one-man leadership show. Though the team is there, though the faculty is there, though the administration is there, though the students all are working together, and of course the event people, they are doing well. But if it is a leader, so when the Neta is like Sanjay Bandyopadhyay, so the event could not have any flaw. So it's a flawless event. I can say he has left no room for any complaint. So this is the specialty of the seminar. We are benefited because artists are here, performing and practicing artists are there, and the scholars are there. So teachers are there. This is the beneficiaries are the teachers from the various parts of India and abroad. Now the next community is the students. Yes, students are also benefited. If they are the beginners, again they are the mediocres, again the researchers, till the JRF scholars. I hope all the students, they are benefited, because the interactions and the rounds of discussions they show, when sometimes we have to have an instruction from Sanjay ji, please go to the sessions, and I have a beautiful instruction with the students over here. So I have seen all people, they are participating in a full enthusiasm over there. So next was the musicologist. Yes, they have also a feast in this seminar, because the patterns are not created on a single day. The pattern have to have its own sweet time to be developed and created. So musicologists have their own angle to understand and discuss over there. Ethnomusicologists and the philosophical and sociological aspect of the patterns also were realized over there. So almost about more than 80 papers have been presented over there, with the all PowerPoint presentations, with the demonstrations, and with the illustrations. But I am unfortunate to attend all, because you can only attend one plenary section at a time. So when they are going 5 parallels, so I could only attend the 20 lectures out of that, about more than 80. So I am unfortunate, but I am hopeful that Sanjay Bandyopadhyay ji would bring out the publication, so we can go through all the papers. And this is the one I feel like bad. I could not listen all the scholars. So this was the only my own thing I feel. This is a time constraint. Otherwise, this is a flawless, wonderful, and we can ever expect the international seminar on the really of international level, where the scholars are there, where the students are there, where the participants are there, and of course all organizers are all together. I congratulate Professor Bandyopadhyay, I congratulate Dean of the faculty, I congratulate all the organizers and the helpers and the scholars who have interacted over there, and I hope meet again over here sometimes. This is a Swabhumi. Yes, this is a Swabhumi, I feel. So with one Vedic mantra, I conclude that samaniva akuti samana hridayaniva samanamastu mana yathava suhaste. May we go together, may we think together, may our mind be one, only in the way, not as the togetherness, as the oneness, which I have felt over here. Let it be continue, the oneness that is must in today's relevance. Thank you very much.